Hello, Darin Martineau here. In this video, I'm going to talk about my new product with my good friend Brian Smedley, and this is called Master Magic Mentors membership course. Okay, we're going to start with the bronze level. We're going to explain what's in the bronze level. Okay, this is an online Master Magic course, and this is for anybody, whether you're beginner, intermediate, or advanced. But this one's mostly for beginners, but it could be for anyone. And what it's going to be is it's going to be tons of video tutorials on magic, and it's going to be on new card magic, new coin magic, new impromptu magic, new mentalism, new close-up magic, new advanced techniques, and you get 20 bonus magic ebooks. If you click on the link, you can see the details of what's inside here. We're going to be constantly updating and upgrading these products. So this one currently is $80, and you get access to a private Facebook group as well to help answer your questions and to help mentor you. So this is not just like, oh, we give you some products and we go, here you go. No, this is not like that at all. This is more closer to consulting, as you will see in the different levels. So now we have the we'll call it the intermediate level, although this is geared towards beginner, intermediate, or advanced. So the bronze level is mostly for beginners, but however, if you're an advanced magician and you go in there, you're still going to learn something because there's a lot of awesome magic in there, right? So for the middle product, we have our Master Magic Mentors silver membership level. That's $120. And right now it includes over 130 magic video tutorials and 31 magic ebooks. Okay, and so it also, you get access to a private Facebook group, silver level for that. Okay, and then we have the gold level. Okay, the gold level is $200, and what it includes is you learn thousands of magic tricks in here. Okay, there's gonna be hundreds of video tutorials. Currently, you get a bonus of 85 ebooks. And these ebooks are including books that we've written, guides, getting your magic act together guides. We will include not only close-up magic, but with the top level, the gold level, you'll also learn parlor and stage magic routines as well. So the difference is you get access to not only the private Facebook group, but you also get more training, right? And you also get uh, more kinds of magic like the parlor and stage, and you also get marketing training. We're going to help you put together your promo pack and so much more, right? So I don't have time to go into all the things. You can see the list, and we're constantly upgrading this and updating this every day and every week when we're working on this, okay? So this is our new Master Magic Mentors. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you very much.